Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxspeculator.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So gold ended up making another lower high today. Until we get some sort of a break of the series of lower lows, lower highs, I definitely would be looking for shorts. Now this is kind of that 3, 4, 5 state that you do see at the end of most trends, but I mean until it actually goes up and breaks structure, I would be very cautious about trying to go long. If it does go up and break structure, I would probably throw my Fibonacci retracement on this last series of lower lows, lower highs, just in case it does decide to make another three-way pullback and another continuation of the downtrend. Now, I think that we're in a wave A on the higher time frames. Most likely, this is still a wave A of wave 4. When it finally does break to the upside, it's most likely going to be a wave B, just like I was saying in my full top-down analysis video from this morning. So we are at a Fibonacci level from the daily time frame, the 38%, so it does seem like a likely area to end a wave A, but I would definitely be very cautious about going longs, taking any longs, at least until we get a break of structure, maybe a break of structure and a retest. If you are a short time frame trader, could be a nice long, but until then, shorts all the way. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.